Hi, so today I want to make a video in support of humility, helping to build humility. So we're going to do an exercise called the Humble Warrior. So to begin that one, just bring your hands down by your sides. Make sure you have a nice upright posture and just let your feet be comfortable, roughly about shoulder width apart. And nice upright posture. And let your tongue go on the upper palate. We're going to breathe only with the nose for this exercise. So just start with that for a moment, breathing in and out through your nose. Just get a sense of that breath flowing in gently and then releasing gently. Good. And then on your next inhale, let's float the arms up along your sides. Let them come above the head. And then as they get above the head, let's start to cross the wrists and slowly drop the hands down and pause and rest them gently on your chest, just below the collarbone. And drop your head and collapse your chest and look down towards the floor, being the humble warrior. Just a moment to be in that amazingness that is you and have a moment just to feel that. Being humble to that, to all the earth around you and all that is there to support you. And then slowly separating your hands, pulling off any tension that might be in the heart, and exhale, we'll send it off to the side. And we're going to inhale again and lift the arms. Cross the wrists again and slowly drop the hands down. Rest them on the chest, collapse the chest, look down towards the floor. Have a moment just to breathe here. Yeah, the humility that's developed by realizing you're one of a bigger cosmos. There's a lot more that we're a part of. We're like a drop of water in the ocean. And then slowly rising up. Let's pull that tension off, and on the exhale, let's just release it off to the side. Any tension that fills our heart, that blocks us. And then let's inhale. And feel free to cross the opposite wrist if you remember which one it was, and slowly drop the hands down. Rest them on the heart. Collapse the chest, look down towards the floor. Have a moment just to be here. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. On your next inhale, just rise up. Begin to pull that tension off. Exhale and send it off to the side. So you can have a more pure heart. Inhale. Cross the wrists. Exhale. Let the hands drop down. Rest them gently here. Look down. Take a few deep breaths. Have a moment just to be. Allowing the mind to clear as you focus on your breath. And then on your next inhale, rising up. Pulling off that tension. On the exhale, send it off to the side. Good, let's do that one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Collapse the chest, look down. Be here for a moment. On your next inhale, rising up. Pulling off that tension. Exhale, release it. Drop your hands down by your sides. Bring them to your navel. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Get a sense of how the interconnectedness of all things, that you are a part of that. A beautiful part of that. Let's lock that in with 3 belly rubs in one direction and 3 more in the opposite. Just a symbol of bringing that into your center. So I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.